If you think you're doing your 2025 taxes like you always have, hold up. Tax laws just changed, deductions and credits have shifted, and you could be leaving hundreds or even thousands of dollars on the table. What's up, everybody? It's Johnny Reliable, and I'm back. I'm breaking down the top tax savings updates for 2025 and 26 that you must know before you file. Let's dive in. As a reminder, I am a CPA, but I am not your CPA. Please always talk to your own CPA about your own specific situation. All right, here's the big picture. With the new IRS adjustments and tax law changes, 2025 is not just another tax year. Key thresholds and deductions have shifted, which means the way you filed taxes in previous years may not be the smartest move. Even if your income and lifestyle have not changed, knowing these updates could save you serious money. Let's break down the biggest changes that most taxpayers need to know. I'm going to give you 3 changes. Number 1, the standard deduction increase. For 2025, the standard deduction increased to $15,750 for single filers and $31,500 for those filing jointly. That means more people might benefit from taking the standard deduction rather than itemizing. For 2026, those numbers increase slightly again. Change number 2, expanded child tax credit. Parents, pay attention. The per child credit increases from $2,000 to $2,200 for qualifying children. If you haven't claimed the credit before, now is a great time to check for eligibility. And change number 3, and potentially the biggest, higher income thresholds and brackets. Many thresholds, like those for tax brackets and deductions, got bumped up due to inflation and adjustments. This may lower your effective tax rate or change whether you should itemize or take the standard deduction. So, who benefits? Who should be paying attention to this video? Well, virtually everybody. Let's start with single or married taxpayers who usually take the standard deduction. You might get an extra boost automatically due to these changes. For parents with qualifying children, thanks to the increased child tax credit, you could potentially save additional money. Middle income households near the income thresholds, the higher tax brackets may lower your taxes. People who used to itemize, now the standard deduction could potentially be more beneficial. And finally, those side gig workers or anyone with non-traditional income, check for new deductions that may be available to you in 2025 that were not available in 2024. So call to action, what to do now from December 7th to when you file in January 2026. Review your last year's tax return with the changes for 2025 and see whether the standard deduction or the itemized deduction works better for you. For those with children, see if your children qualify for the child tax credit. Evaluate your mortgage interest, your real estate taxes, and your state and local income taxes, and see if the SALT limitation deduction has changed and effectively increased the benefit for you as well. Okay, and finally, consult with your own CPA on your own situation, as each individual situation is unique. I want to thank you all so much for watching this video, and if you derived any value from it, please click that subscribe button below. I would really appreciate it. Please know moving forward, I'll be releasing other tax savings tips videos. I'll be releasing videos breaking down tax forms like the 1099-G, the 1099-NEC, K-1s, and more. My name is Johnny Reliable. Thanks again for watching, and I hope to see you all soon.